I think we could all use more of these mornings where everything hits just right. You see that eagle? How beautiful is that?
Under the boughs where the shadows
Bald eagle.
the wind hums song.
I think it was a combination of the eagle flying over, the way the sunrise reflected off the calm, still water, the ducks in flight, and the calmness of my dog sitting on the dock while the sun rose above the trees. Whatever it was, I think we could all use more mornings and days like this. Get out there and enjoy the outdoors and have a blessed day.